Malaria, which is a disease that affects a lot of people in tropical and subtropical regions, is caused by Plasmodium, which is a unicellular protist. Their vectors that transport Plasmodium are mosquitoes, hence the reason why this is such a big deal in tropical and subtropical areas. But Plasmodium has two parts in its life cycle: sporozoites. This part of the life cycle is usually transferred from the mosquitoes. And so, because it enters the blood, it eventually goes towards the liver. The merozoites eventually leave the liver and infect red blood cells. So, it's the merozoites that's the infective stage. So, if we look at this, sporozoites transferred from the vector, the mosquito, but then the infective stage is the merozoite stage, which infects the blood. Other types of algae or multicellular, so brown algae. So here we see in the background sargassum seaweed washed up on the beaches. This is in Toco, Trinidad. Your kelps, which are brown algae as well. And the main pigment is fucoxanthin. So here's a closer look. You have diatoms with silica shells. There are examples as well, water moles. Some of them cause rust, or in this case, they affect organisms such as fish. We have green algae, brown algae, and now red algae. Red algae has that red pigment called phycobilins. And so you see the red algae around this brittle star. And your green algae has, of course, chlorophyll, chloroplasts, and they photosynthesize. A unicellular protozoan, amoebas. Amoebas are eukaryotes. They extend their cell membranes and they have this false foot-like structure called pseudopods. And that's pretty much how they move. So as you can see, your pseudopods.